Hello, beautiful souls. Are you ready to dive into the world of digital creativity with me? I'm 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙣𝙀𝙀, your go-to guy for all things WordPress development and graphic design. With over 3 years of hands-on experience in this ever-evolving field, I bring a unique blend of passion, expertise, and creativity to the table. When it comes to creating stunning visuals that captivate and inspire, I don't just meet expectations, I exceed them. Whether it's crafting a pixel-perfect logo, designing a visually striking website, or breathing life into a brand through innovative graphics, I am your ultimate ally in the realm of digital design. But what sets me apart from the rest? It's not just my technical prowess or my eye for aesthetics, it's my unwavering commitment to excellence and client satisfaction. When you work with me, you're not just getting a service provider, you're gaining a collaborative partner who is dedicated to bringing your ideas to fruition in the most creative and impactful way possible. So, what are you waiting for? Let's embark on a creative journey together and transform your digital presence into a masterpiece that truly reflects the essence of your brand. I'm 𝙏𝙧𝙖𝙣𝙀𝙀, and I can't wait to bring your creative dreams to life. Get in touch today, and let's make magic happen.